In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email all customers on Shopify. Email is one of the most powerful ways to stay connected with your customers, and Shopify makes it pretty straightforward using their native email platform. I'll walk you through the exact process from inside your Shopify admin, step by step. First, log into your Shopify account and go to your main Shopify dashboard. This is your home base where you can see your store overview, orders, products, and everything else. Make sure you're in the correct store if you manage more than one. At the top of the dashboard, look for the search bar, click into that search bar and type in the word email, then press enter. Shopify will use this search to pull up tools and apps related to email, and you should automatically be taken to Shopify's native email platform called Shopify Email. Once you're on the Shopify email page, you'll see an option to create a new campaign. Go ahead and click on Create Campaign. A campaign is simply a single email or a series of emails that you send to a specific group of customers. Next, you'll be asked to choose an email template. Here, you can click on a template you like or start with a simple layout you can customize. Take a moment to pick a design that matches your brand and the type of message you're sending, whether it's a promotion, an announcement, or an update. When you've found one you're happy with, click on Select to open it in the editor. Now you're in the email editor. At the top, in the To field, click on Select Segment. This is where you choose who will receive your email. To email everyone who has subscribed to your emails, select All Subscribers. This tells Shopify to send this campaign to every customer who has opted in to receive marketing emails from your store. Next, click into the subject line field and add a clear, compelling subject. This is the first thing your customers will see, so make it specific and relevant. Then click into the preview text field and add a short sentence that gives a bit more context. This preview text appears next to or under the subject line in most inboxes. When you're happy with your content and settings, click on Review. On the review screen, Shopify will show you the final details of your campaign, including who it's going to and the sending options like date and time. Set when you want the email to be sent, double check everything, and you're ready to schedule or send your email to all your Shopify customers.